皆さん、こんにちは。Joanna です。Hello everybody, I'm Joanna. I'm back again. And today we will talk about this. The verb this. So let's go. First of all, this is the first thing that you will basically learn in Japanese grammar. And you will learn it equivalent to the verb to be. But actually, this is not a verb in Japanese. You don't need to know that actually to be able to use it because we will use it as the actual verb to be or the equivalent to be in English. Why? Because for us it's much more easier to understand it that way. But yes, first thing you need to know is not actually a verb. So when you study verbs, the normal verbs in general, let's say normal verbs in general in Japanese, the grammar will be completely different. So this is something that you will learn separately, like we will do here today. And yes, you will learn it as this as to be, but it is not a verb. So it will go definitely different. But it does follow the same rules, the same basic rules as the verbs in Japanese, meaning this also goes at the end of the sentence. And it also changes to change the form. But first thing you need to know about this, it goes at the end of the sentence. Second thing is that this doesn't use particle before. Like the other verbs, we do use a particle before. For example, mizu o nomimasu, this o would be a particle. This doesn't use anything before. So for example, I want to say it's a cat, I would say neko desu. Neko desu. I don't use anything in the middle. I just put it directly with this. Neko desu. After that, basically this has 4 changes or 4 forms. We would have it in present, des. We would have it in negative. That would be ではありません. We would have it in past. That would be でした. And finally, we would have it in past negative. That would be ではありませんでした. That's the basic thing you will learn about this at the beginning. And well, actually nothing more about this. Well, you will use it in many occasions. You will use it a lot because it's actually to be for us. But basically, that's the basic thing you need to know. For example, following the same example, 猫です, it's a cat. I could say 猫ではありません. It's not a cat. For example, let's follow the example of Doraemon. As you know, I love Doraemon, so let's just use it. So for example, I could say ドラえもんは猫です. Doraemon is a cat. But Doraemon is also a robot, so I could also say ドラえもんは猫ではありません. ドラえもんはロボットです. Doraemon is not a cat, it's a robot. I could also say ドラえもんはどうするドラえもんは先生でした. Doraemon was a teacher. But that's actually a lie. Doraemon was never a teacher, at least that I remember. So, ドラえもんは先生ではありませんでした. Doraemon was not a teacher. So, this video is very basic, just for you to understand and start to make a few sentences. You can try to grab a few nouns that you learn. For example, 猫, cat, 犬, dog, mizu, water, and you can just do very simple sentences like 猫です, 犬です, and write them in hiragana. Hi, so today's video was very short. I just wanted to explain very quickly this. I hope you liked this very short and compressed explanation, and see you in another video. またね、ありがとう。